Next one is question number 2. What's about PAUB? Just remember, get the equation from the data booklet. Substitute the result and you can get the answer. Try to work on it. Next lesson. Substitute the number. The result will be a substitution. Okay, try to calculate. Got it. For B is a little bit complicated. It's about drawing the Venn diagram. So you have to think about the whole places here. And then this is A. And this is B. And then you have to clearly think about what is A dash. A dash means not A. And not B. Where they are using the color. You can see not A is here. All this way is not A. Then where is not B. Not B is on the base here. And what is the overlap place? Okay, you very clearly can say, oh, it's just 1 minus A in the unit, so the probability will be, think about it, okay? One minus probability of AUB. And what is the result? Yeah, 1 minus 0.8 and 0.2. Okay, show you the marking scheme at last. Check your answer. Have you got all the answer? Correct? Well done.